Taking a walk around the capital region, you're likely going to see some hemlock trees.
And if you look close enough, you could see the invasive species that's threatening them throughout the area.
News 10's Dan Pizzani joining us now live with more on these little bugs or whatever they are wrecking these trees. Dan.
Yeah, John, Valerie, I am at one of the hemlock trees here at Crossings of Colony, and from a distance, this one looks healthy and full, but when you zoom in and you can see there are plenty of signs of the hemlock woolly adelgid. That's the invasive species that are threatening these trees. You can see those little white dots. Also, the yellowing and the shrinking of the leaves is another sign that the invasive species has come to the tree, and if it is not treated, then just a few steps over here, this is another hemlock tree that is in the later stages of that same invasive species. The board-certified arborist I spoke to today, Joe Oszust, tells me what can be done to prevent trees from getting to this point.
The insect was introduced in the 1950s down in Virginia, I believe, and it's just moved, up and down the East Coast since then.
And how prevalent is it in the capital region?
Very.
Oszust says depending on the health of the tree, the hemlock woolly adelgid can kill it in as little as 1 year.
The insect infects the tree. It extracts the nitrogen-rich fluid, weakening the tree, and then eventually, usually a secondary either pathogen or insect comes in and takes the tree out.
Oszust says treating the trees can be easy, especially if it's caught early. A chemical can be applied to the bark or soil surrounding the tree to protect it from the insect. In settings with many hemlocks, like the Adirondacks, releasing beetles that eat the adelgid could be another solution. All of these options are being discussed by Glenville's Parks Director Vicki Hillis, who recently received $19,000 from the DEC to address the insect in Glenville's parks.
We applied to DEC to get funding to see what we could do to help the trees. Whether we can do something for the hemlock woolly adelgid, or if the adelgid really can't be overcome, can we plant other native trees? Can we prepare for the future failure of these trees?
Town officials told News 10 beetles were released at the Platterkill Preserve to combat the insects. Hillis says a test will be done to see if the beetles traveled to the Hemlock Hollow Park to help with the issue there. Oszust says in the coming months, the hemlock woolly adelgid will form a waxy coating over its eggs, making it much easier to identify.
January, February, March, they become really bright white. You can see them a lot easier than right now, where the insect is already hatched out, that waxy coating is gone. A new one is formed during the wintertime.
And so obviously the adelgid is a problem, but on this same exact tree, Oszust tells me another invasive species that is just as prevalent is the hemlock scale. You can see it, the white on the underside of those leaves. That's a little sheath where eggs are laid for that species. Oszust says that it's important to protect trees not just for the health of our forests, but also the many species that call the hemlocks home, such as the red squirrel. Reporting live in Colony, Dan Pizzani, News 10 ABC.
All right, time for weather. I see a lot of gray squirrels. I don't see a lot of red squirrels, Alyssa.